Welcome to this video explaining how to set up a new user within RMS. First, click on Tools, Setup. Then on the left part of the screen, click on User. Simply push on the New User button. There are three parts to fill out: the username, the full name, and the email. The username is the username the user will use to log on to RMS. The full name is the name that will be shown on the top right hand part of the corner, and the email address is where all notifications will be sent. Simply click on OK to generate a new user. Then on the right part we have various options. First of all, we have visible in. So here we look to see in what group we wish for the new user to be seen. Simply click here to see exactly in what part we want the user to be seen. Here we're going to click on Join Group, as this is simply for demo purposes. We can also add below the telephone number to send out email, to send out SMS and telephone alarming information. Then we set up the group rights simply by pushing on the plus button, and here we can set up either an admin position or a view only position. Please see the video about creating user rights to find out more about setting the user rights. Then, once the user rights selected, click on OK and don't forget to save. There you have it, your new user is created. Thank you very much for watching.